Hi, this is Michelle Rumschlag, Naturalist, and welcome to Virtual Experiences with the Hancock Park District. It's Friday, so we're hitting the trails. Today you're joining me at Oakwoods Nature Preserve. And today I want to talk about some of the fall berries you might be seeing if you're getting out and enjoying the parks. So the first one is right off the path a little bit, and it's called Pokeweed. And I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it. It might be something that you've got growing and consider a weed, but it's native here. And it's one that it's unmistakable. You're not going to really get it confused with anything else because of this bright kind of magenta colored stems that it has there. And the berries are actually almost gone, or if they're there, they're dried up. I'd say normally they're about a small blueberry in size and this very dark purple, almost black color. So it's attracting a lot of birds. Think northern mockingbirds, cedar waxwings, brown thrashers. So they're able to eat those berries and be fine. Now I'm always talking about do your homework with things out of nature before eating. This is one plant you probably want to avoid because some parts are toxic at some times, but berries are all the time, even when they're green. And not just toxic, but can be fatal to you. So again, that's something that you probably don't want to mess with. If you've got, young children around and you have this growing, you might want to remove that so they're not accidentally eating it. But it was around in pioneer times, and they would have taken that bright, dark purple kind of color and used it in dyeing. So that is our pokeweed plant there. Now the last two plants I want to talk about are invasive and also exotic. So they're not found around here, and they kind of grow everywhere. So this plant right here, you can see all these dark, small purple fruit here is privet. And you've heard me talk about privet before because this is a plant that we're trying to get rid of throughout the parks and especially here at Oakwoods. And so they kind of mass produce these fruits here and will attract birds, but it doesn't have a lot of nutritional value, kind of like potato chips for the wildlife. And one study was done that with birds actually eating some of these, that their coloration wasn't as bright as if they were eating more native berries. So again, they're eating it and filling up, but not a lot of nutritional value for it. So again, if you've got privet in your yard, it might be something that you want to remove. The last one we have in the parks, but not close here on the trail where I'm at, and that's honeysuckle. And so honeysuckle is an opposite arrangement there. And then with the fruits, it can be red, it can be this purple, or even a darker colored black berry there. And kind of the same thing, again, both of these are mildly toxic, mildly poisonous. So again, just because wildlife's eating it, probably something that you don't want to eat yourself. So it's a beautiful time to be out. The fall colors are almost at peak here at Oakwoods. A lot of yellows as the leaves are changing here into fall. Remember to join us on Monday at 1 o'clock for Discovery Stories. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.